Welcome back to the channel. If you're considering cancelling your Kajabi subscription in 2025, you have come to the right place. Today I will guide you through the simple steps to do just that, ensuring you can make this decision with confidence. Why cancel your Kajabi subscription? Before we jump into the cancellation process, let's briefly discuss why you might want to cancel. Whether you have found a better software solution or simply needs to cut cost, it's completely normal to reassess your subscriptions. Login. Start by logging to your Kajabi account. You'll land on the home screen of your dashboard. Access account settings. Click on your profile name located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Navigate to Billing. In the left sidebar, find and click on Billing. This section will show your current subscription details. Cancel subscription. Look for the Cancel Subscription button beneath your plan information. Click it and you will see a warning about losing access to features and when your subscription renews. Confirm cancellation. If you're sure about cancelling, click on Cancel my subscription again. Kajabi may offer retention discounts. If you're interested, consider those options before finalizing. Complete cancellation. After confirming, you will need to provide a reason for cancellation. Choose an option from the list and click Submit Feedback. Final confirmation. You will receive a notification indicating that your subscription is pending cancellation and will officially end when your current billing cycle concludes. And there you have it, a straightforward way to cancel your Kajabi subscription. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Remember, it's always good to evaluate your tools regularly and ensure by meeting your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video.